crushes for the month of July and the month of August, which we are into now. And I have been like so super busy, no excuses or anything like that. But July and August have been super busy, like literally very busy, like personal, work-wise. Like I've been super drained. They've just been so super busy months for me, and yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this one. So here they are. So these are both of the months. This one is going to be the month of July. Yes, the month of July, and this one is the one for the month of August. Oh my God, I swear. This whole year is going by so fast. But the month of August, I did a little mark on it so that way I know which one is which. So we are just gonna go ahead and get started. So if you don't know about Cold Crushes, this one is a subscription, a monthly subscription. It's $14 a month. However, I was looking on Instagram, and I follow them, and I saw an announcement that they are gonna be putting this subscription on hold. So their last box for Cold Crushes, it's going to be for the month of September. So I think that it is very good that they're putting a stop to this subscription. I hope that they come back even bigger and better. Obviously, they've been hearing us. They're listening to us, so I think that change is good. So if they're putting it on pause or on hold for a while to improve it, I think I'm so down for it. I think that's a very smart move. I think it's awesome. I think it's good. Change is good. So yeah, I really do hope, like, I hope that they come back even stronger and better than ever. So we are just going to get started. I'm like so confused. Which box did I even cut into? Okay, here we go. So this is the month of July. This is what we got. Here it is. Here is the little card, you guys. It's new. I haven't cheated or peeked or anything like that. So the first thing we got are some Ricky Cares Backstage Travel Wipes. So these are gonna be makeup wipes. And like I said, this whole box retails for $14. So we got some makeup wipes. We got this really cute box, and this is a lash serum. Okay, lash serum. I don't use that, but okay. Just kidding. Okay, let's see what this little box is about. So I think that they're taking our criticism very good. I mean, they're listening to us, because this subscription used to be $10 and they moved the price up to $14. And I'm sure they watch our YouTube videos, you know, and they're listening. So I think that with them doing that, hopefully it's for the best and they come back even better. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. However, you have this big ass box, but there's like nothing in here, and then the actual product is right in the corner. Like you have all this empty space here. So yeah, so this is the lash serum. It has this little applicator, looks like an eyeliner applicator. I do not see myself using this, so I see this like as a waste of money. But we're just gonna go ahead and move on. You guys know I'm all about makeup. Like, I like makeup. Send me makeup. That's what makes me happy. I really don't care for like skincare or all the other kind of patches or like face masks, stuff like that. That's just not me. That just doesn't excite me. And then the next item we got is this right here, and this is the Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick. So finally some makeup. And this is what this looks like. It's very pretty. I like the packaging, and it has like a little ruby diamond on top. Let's see. Oh, damn. Okay, so this is what the color looks like. And it is a berry color. I like this color. I would actually wear this because fall is right around the corner, and I'm so ready for it. I'm so over this damn heat. Alright guys, so after that we move on to the bubble wrap. That gets on my nerves. And then we're gonna move on to this right here, and this is like a little box from, the brand is called Glamazon Beauty, and this is a cream highlighter. The packaging, the compact is very pretty. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm so down to try new stuff. However, again, this cream highlighter is super gold. Probably wouldn't go with me, but let's just see what this is about. This is how it applies. And there it is in my hand. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it does give you like a little gold sheen. I'm not very much of a cream person, you know. I like more of my shit. My box just fell. Ahorita la junto. Yeah, I could hardly see anything. There's this. I'm not very excited about that product. And then what else we got in our box was this right here. And this is LA Splash Cosmetics. And oh, the packaging is pretty interesting. Oh, I like this little bottle. It has a little dropper. I'm not quite sure what the hell this is. This is a waterproof makeup remover. Oh, cool. I am totally digging this little dropper, and this packaging is so cool. I would probably use this. Out of this box, I would probably just use the makeup remover and the makeup remover wipes and the liquid lipstick that we got. That was pretty much it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this box is worth $14? Like, what is your opinion? Because I canceled my Sephora Play box to come to Cult Crushes because Sephora was just mini items. These are more of fuller size items, but a lot of the stuff, like, I'm kind of iffy about. Well, anyhow, moving on to the next. So this was the box for July. We are now going to move on to the box of August. So here it is, and we are just gonna go ahead and get started on this one. It's new. I have not opened it either. It's completely sealed. Ah, la uña. Oh my god, that hurts. Okay, so here we go. So this is what the box looks like. We have the bubble wrap. Let's take it out. Okay, and I'm just gonna start pulling from within. So this is the first item that we got in this month's box, and this is a mask. No good. Okay, so this is a rose sheet mask, and it's a hydrating sheet mask infused with rose water. So skincare again. All right, Cult Crushes, I totally understand why you guys are putting your subscription to a pause. The next item that we got are these little things here, and these are Ricky's Care No Crease Gold Limited Edition. Okay, so these are for the hair. I don't see myself using this. Not really. I don't think so. Okay, so let's see. So they're really cute. Everything is falling apart. My nail was about to break. My hoop just fell off. This chonguito thing, I don't know if I'm feeling it or not. I don't think so. What else? The next thing we got on here is this OMG pulling gel, whatever that is. I've never seen this item or heard of this brand. So this is what this looks like, and this looks like it's something for the nose. So I guess, let's see, let's just check it out because I'm like very curious about this. Maybe to remove like, maybe to like remove like blackheads or something, like some kind of scrub. Okay, yeah, so that's what that is. And it has like little beads and grains. You put it in your nose. And there's somebody at my door. I will be right back. So I am back. So a day after, here I am trying to finish up this video, guys. I got so busy, again, caught up in life. Okay, so anyway, back to this video. The next item that we had got in this month's box for August was this liquid lipstick, and it is by Galactic Beauty. Let's see what this is about. Hopefully, yes, this is a very pretty shade. I would totally wear this, and hopefully it's matte, and it looks like it is. This is what the color looks like. It's very pretty, natural color. Goes with everything. All right, so that was that. And then the very last item in this month's box is going to be this right here. So this is the nail polish that we received in this month's box, and this is by Ella Mila is the brand, and it's this little elephant. I've got nail polishes before from another subscription, and it was the same brand. So I do really like this color. This is totally my color. I would definitely be wearing this. But okay, guys, so this is the end of Cold Crushes. Well, it looks like it's coming to the end. They only do have one more box in September coming up, and then they're gonna wrap it up. So that subscription is gonna be on hold, or they're pausing. Hopefully they do come back even stronger and better than ever. Like, kudos to them. I'm really hoping that they come back really, really strong. And I hope that they change the price point, because I think that a lot of people started enrolling when they found out that it was $10. But then once the price went up to $14, like, everybody kind of fell off the bandwagon. And hopefully they figure something out, something intermediate, where we're still getting a good quality of items, full size, but if the price could be a little bit better. Because some of these items, I don't know, two out of these items would be the ones that I would be using, but I don't know if it's worth the $14 anymore. So kudos to them. Hopefully they come back stronger and better than ever. I am totally supporting them, and I will still be subscribed to them till September, until they kind of like put their stuff on hold. And I think this is it, you guys. What do you guys think about this subscription? Do you think it's worth the $14? Like, are you gonna subscribe back when they come back after their break? Like, what do you guys think about this subscription? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I think this is pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.